Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F5 Pro, and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection, and I highly recommend to use the stable Wi-Fi instead of mobile data. And then let's enter the Play Store. Of course, if you've got your Google account added to the device, you will be automatically logged in. If not, you will have to do it right now, and then tap on the circle, which is your account. Tap on Manage Apps and Device and tap on Manage. And as you can see, this is the list of currently installed apps, and we have to tap on Updates Available in order to check which one we can download. So, of course, if you want to, you can mark all of them to update all, or pick like 2 or 3 different apps. I will pick, for example, Google Chrome, Google One, and the podcasts. So, if you're ready, just tap on this update icon here, and your device will automatically download and then apply the update. So from now on, you just have to wait patiently. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.